recording. It's so much fun. Today's puzzle is the angry bird should meet the pig. You should not touch the TNT bomb. Try to calculate the path how to meet the pig without touching the TNT bomb. If you say it's like easy, you're correct. So it's move forward, turn right, then move forward, turn left, move forward. That's correct. Let's try your code. Move forward first, then turn right. When the light comes, you have to leave it. Then again move forward, turn left, and move forward. This is the code. And see, it's like easy. Move forward. Let's see how it goes. Yes, our code worked. And it's finished. My name is Arshita. I will meet you in the next puzzle. Bye-bye.